the first thing is to identify what we really don't know yet, to identify the risk for different regions, different sectors. And also we need to keep in mind that there are different strategies of solar radiation modification, including introducing aerosols into the stratosphere, but marine cloud brightening, and also cirrus cloud thinning, or changing the albedo of the surface. There are different strategies, and the effect or the potential consequences of each of these strategies are really different. So the first thing is to identify which strategy for what. We want to cool the whole planet, we want to cool some area or protect some region from increasing temperatures, and for this we can use, for example, marine cloud brightening. If we want to cool the whole planet, maybe we should think in stratospheric aerosol injection. So there's not a single question because it depends on the strategy. And even when we consider stratospheric aerosol injection, for example, if we want to cool the planet by 1 degree or by half a degree, or for how long. So the potential risks are really completely different depending on the strategy. So this is the first thing that we should keep in mind. And the other thing is, considering the different strategies, what are the potential risks associated to each of them? And then to compare this potential risk with the risk of a planet that is becoming warmer and warmer and in unprecedented and very dangerous way. So maybe the best tool we have up to now to analyze this issue is to compare the risk of a warming planet against the risk of solar radiation modification, and there are these different strategies that we can think about. We are trying to produce information about this risk framework that we think is the best way to really understand the potential impacts of SRM and to compare with the climate change, and maybe it's the best tool we have to make a decision about if it's a good or a bad idea, or something that we still need to know more to make a decision. But I am sure that it's not easy to understand this because we have many uncertainties, and we need to make more research to really have more information about this potential risk of SRM. We know more about the risks of climate change, but not so much about the risk of SRM.